Today we're making these cool pirate lanterns. The materials you are going to need is a balloon filled with water, a candle, scissors, twine, and a hot glue gun. A lot of hot glue sticks. Let's get started. Okay. So you're gonna make like a spider web with your hot glue. Don't touch the balloon with the tip of the hot glue gun or else it will pierce it. Once the hot glue is solid, you will pop the balloon inside of it over a sink. We've taken out the balloon and this is what we're left with. Now we're going to wrap the base in twine. So we've wrapped the bottom and now it looks like this. And now I'm going to make the handle. Let's go check it out in the dark.
Why don't you keep your artwork forever in your very own digital portfolio in the Artebula app? This way, you can see how much you've improved. Download it today from the Google Play Store or the App Store.